around to enjoy the show. Danny, where you going?
I don't know where you are or what you're doing. You come anywhere near me and Molly, I swear to God.
Danny, please, shut up. You killed the love of my life.
That was an accident, Miles.
Oh, and poor Phil. He was really looking forward to those pork chops.
Bill! Bill, get out of the house!
Now see, that was an accident. Okay, you listen very carefully to me, Danny. It's our anniversary. 1 year ago today, whether by dumb luck or uncompromising skill, you bested me. And as such, today, we're going to have our rematch. I just took round one. The last time we met, you took from me what can never, ever be replaced. And for that, I am going to take from you. Now, I just wonder, do you think Molly is going to be able to trust me?
Miles! Miles!